Hello students, today our topic is implementation of all gates using NAND gate. So here NAND gate is called as universal gate. NOR gate is also called as universal gate. Why these two are called as universal gates? Because by using these two gates we can make any type of gate. So now our topic is implementation of all gates using NAND gate. Implementation of all basic gates using NAND gate. So what are they? OR gate, AND gate, NOT gate, exclusive OR gate, exclusive NOR gate. So first gate is a NOT gate. So NOT gate function, logic function y equals to a bar. NOT gate is having single input, right? Okay. So in NAND realization, we are using only NAND gate instead of a NOT gate. So how to make NOT gate by using NAND gate? Simply we are giving a, it will be acts as a into a whole bar, that is equals to a bar. A is giving twice to NAND gate, then it will be acts as an inverter. So instead of NOT gate, in the circuit diagram, we use this symbol only. Okay. Next, OR gate. OR gate. So logic function of OR gate is y equals to a plus b. For designing of OR gate, we use 3 NAND gates. So how to take those NAND gates? So OR gate is having two inputs. So this symbol acts as an inverter, and this is also acts as an inverter. So two NAND gates, and these two outputs are giving to one more NAND gate. The output of this NAND gate is a bar into b bar whole bar. A bar into b bar whole bar. So how to get a plus b from this equation? Listen. So here a bar into b bar whole bar, right? So for this whole complement, we use De Morgan's theorem. You know already De Morgan's theorem. What is De Morgan's theorem? X into y whole bar equals to x bar plus y bar. Okay. So here in the place of x, here we have a bar. So a bar, x bar, right? A bar, again bar, plus b bar, again bar. So a double bar is a, b double bar is b, right? So in this way, from this circuit diagram, we are getting a plus b, right? So instead of OR gate symbol, we use 3 NAND gates in the NAND realization. Next, AND gate. AND gate. So we know already AND gate logic function y equals to a into b. So for designing AND gate, we use two NAND gates. Two NAND gates. So first AND gate, for first AND gate, I am giving A and B. Then the output of first AND gate is a AB whole bar, right? And again this output is give it to twice. This output is give it to next NAND gate as twice, and this gate as acts as an inverter. Then A B double bar, right? So AB double bar is equals to AB. So instead of AND gate, we use two NAND gates in the circuit diagram. Now tell me, for NOT gate, we use one NAND gate. For OR gate, for designing of OR gate, we use 3 NAND gates. For AND gate, we use 2 NAND gates. Next gates are exclusive OR and exclusive NOR gates. Next gate is a exclusive OR gate, XOR gate. Okay, XOR gate logic function y equals to A XOR B. Formula of A XOR B is a B bar plus A bar B. So for designing of XOR gate, we use 4 NAND gates. Okay, how to take the diagram. So this is the circuit diagram of a exclusive OR gate using NAND gate. So in this diagram, we use 4 NAND gate. Okay, so by using this circuit diagram, how to get our equation A B bar plus A bar B? Let's see. So first gate output is A into B whole bar. A into B whole bar. This is the first gate, second gate, third gate, fourth gate. Then second gate output. Second gate inputs are A and AB whole bar, right? So A into AB whole bar taking whole complement, whole bar. Next, for third gate output. What are the inputs of third gate here? One input is B into one more input is from AB whole bar, AB whole bar. So NAND gate, right? NAND gate means two inputs are multiplying and taking whole complement, right? And fourth gate inputs are, first input is A into AB whole bar, AB bar, whole bar, and second input is B into AB bar whole bar. So these two inputs are multiplying and taking whole complement is the fourth gate output. Then how to get from this expression to AB bar plus A bar B? Let's see. So here this is the total equation. For this total equation, total complement, I am applying De Morgan's property. You know already De Morgan's property, x bar plus y bar. X bar plus y bar. You know x, here x, what is x term? X term is a into AB whole bar total bar. This is x term. Okay, x bar, right? X bar means again complement, plus what is y here? B into AB bar whole bar. This is y. Y is having again bar, whole bar. Okay, so here 2 times bar cancel out each other. Okay, then A into AB whole bar plus B into AB whole bar. Again apply De Morgan's property for these two expressions. So A into A bar plus B bar plus B into A bar plus B bar. Okay. So multiply this A inside the bracket. A into A bar. A into A bar plus A into B bar plus A bar into B. First, here I am writing first A term, after this B. Next, B into B bar. We know already A into A bar is 0, right? So this term is 0, this term is 0. Finally, we got the expression as A B bar plus A bar B, right? So A B bar plus A bar B is the formula of A XOR B, right? So for designing XOR gate, instead of XOR symbol, we use 4 NAND gates in the NAND realization. It is a exclusive NOR gate. Exclusive NOR gate. Exclusive NOR is the complement of XOR gate, right? How to take complement for this total circuit? Simply we are taking one more NOT gate, one more inverter here, then we got whole complement of XOR gate. So whole complement of this expression right? So finally we got A X NOR B, A X NOR B. Let's see how to get total that equation from this total circuit. Simply we are adding one more NAND gate. For XOR gate we use 4 NAND gates, right? For exclusive NOR gate we use 5 NAND gates. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is the circuit diagram. So simply this is the circuit is used for, this total circuit is used for designing of XOR gate. Okay, for exclusive NOR gate we add one more NAND gate at the output of total circuit. So one more NAND gate, this NAND gate is acts as an inverter of a total circuit. So up to here, after simplification we got a b bar plus a bar b, right? A bar b. So this output is twice of the NAND gate is acts as an inverter, right? So now tell me this output now, a b bar plus a bar b whole bar. Okay, apply De Morgan's property here. Apply De Morgan's property. Let this term, total term as x, this term as y. X plus y whole bar. X plus y whole bar means x plus y whole bar, De Morgan's property, x bar into y bar, right? X bar into y bar. So here in the place of x, we have a b bar, right? X bar is a b bar whole bar into a bar b whole bar. Okay, and again apply De Morgan's property for this expression and this expression. Okay, x into y whole bar, x bar plus y bar. So a bar plus b bar double bar into a double bar plus b bar. Okay, so a bar plus b, b 2 times complement, right? Then you get b, a plus b bar. Multiplication. Okay, first a bar, with this a bar multiply these two terms, a bar into a plus a bar b bar plus, next now b, with this b multiply these two terms, ab plus b into b bar. Okay, we know already a into a bar is 0, b into b bar is 0, and the remaining terms are a bar b bar plus ab. So here a bar b bar plus ab is the formula of a x NOR b, a x NOR b. So for designing of exclusive NOR gate, for designing of a exclusive NOR gate, we use 5 NAND gates. 5 NAND gates. Now tell me the simple table in NAND realization. NAND gate. So how many NAND gates is used for NOT gate? 1. Right? For OR gate, 3. For AND gate, 2. Okay, for exclusive OR gate, 4. For exclusive NOR gate, 5. Okay, so by using NAND gate, we use 1 NAND gate for designing of a NOT gate, 3 NAND gates for OR gate, 2 NAND gates for AND gate, 4 NAND gates for exclusive OR, 5 NAND gates for exclusive NOR gate. So this is what implementation of all gates using NAND gate. So this total topic is also called it as NAND realization. Thank you.